Welcome to the video. Here we have Nala waiting for her food. Every day at 5, she waits. So the first thing we have is pecans and flowers. Flowers? I meant flour, not flowers. Come on now. Put the flour in the bowl, hurry. We're waiting patiently. Yes, all the flour. We got some eggs, carrots, and more flour. Actually, that's the same flour as before. So the pecans are gonna go in the oven to be nice and roasted with sugar. Lots and lots of sugar. Lots of sugar is in cake. That's what makes it so scrum-diddly-umptious delicious. And now we're back to the flour, where we're putting some baking soda in. Yep. Baking powder. I know what I'm talking about. I made this. Or did I? Was it me? Nah, it was Mrs. J. I'm just filming. And cinnamon. Because we have cinnamon in the cake, it helps with inflammation. So, wait, why was there cinnamon on the counter? I can't stand it here. But yeah, cinnamon helps with inflammation, so it's good for you. Oh yes, cracking the eggs. Plop. Vegetable oil. Lovely. Absolutely lovely. More vegetable oil. Plop. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Alright, the pecans are done and they're roasted. Can't you just waft that and smell the pecans? Now, this is crushed pineapple. Look at this mess. It's not a baking situation without a nice mess in the kitchen. I can't stand it. Can't stand it. Crush the pecans. Crush them. Crush, 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 crush. Whip, 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 whip. What is that? Allspice? Alright. So very nice. Now we're gonna pour the flour, allspice, and all kinds of nice things into this. Very good. Carrots. Lovely. Carrots is what makes carrots. These are real carrots, guys. Therefore, it's healthy. We got cinnamon for inflation and carrots for, vitamins and minerals. And now our crushed pecans are going in there. More pecans. Mixing it all up. Adding the sugar. Mixing it up again. And then we're weighing it to perfection so that everything is balanced and perfect. Because we're all about perfection here. This perfect carrot cake. Now we're gonna put it in the oven at 350 for 25 minutes. 25 minutes is all it takes to have a perfect cake. Okay, look at this. This is so cute. It's not Christmas. It's not Christmas, but it's hey, what are you doing? Hey, what the heck? Excuse me. All right, now we're gonna have some extras, and when we have extras, we make it for cupcakes so that I can eat them all. That's right, me. I get to eat all the cupcakes, and the cake is for whoever. Are you a cupcake person or a cake person? Comment down below. Nala, what are you doing in the kitchen? Is it ready? Yes, indeed, it's beautiful. The carrot cakes are looking glorious before they had the frosting on them. They're looking mighty, mighty nice. Now the cupcakes need to be put in, and then when we have a little left over, so we're gonna make a little loaf of carrot cake. How about that? Now just enjoy the view of the baked goods here. Now it's time to start thinking about our frosting. So we're gonna start pouring our powdered sugar, our confection sugar, into the food processor Here we are chopping up some cream cheese because it is a carrot cake and carrot cake has cream cheese frosting. So remember, after you make your carrot cake, make sure you put it in the fridge. Otherwise, your carrots might melt away. And now, like Martha Stewart always says, it's time to add the butter. Gulp, 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 gulp. Gulp, 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 gulp. Vanilla extract. Love it. Food processors are the best. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Now for the final touches. Oh yes, it is starting to come to life. This homemade beautiful frosting. Look at that. It's glorious. I might have tried it right there, but don't think about it. Now we're finally piecing together our amazing carrot cake. First, we're going to start from the bottom up. And then we're going to add some nice, like a nice dollop of, a lot of frosting. By the way, there's a ton of frosting that goes into a carrot cake. And the more the frosting, the better it tastes. And remember, it has carrots in it and cinnamon. And both of those are healthy. Everything else, don't even worry about it. Yes, indeed. This cake is coming together nicely. Oh, we got a nice time lapse here. Just enjoy how pleasant it is to look at this marvelous cake that you too could try if you baked it yourself. I'm sorry you can't have this cake. This cake, I wish I could say it was mine, but it's not. Remember, the cupcakes, those are all mine. All of them. And now, there's my glorious cupcakes. Yes, indeed. Actually, I don't get any of this. Yeah, it's very sad. Mrs. J is making it for work. God, her colleagues are lucky, dang it, they're lucky. And then, but don't worry, she did make me a little loaf. Remember the little loaf we put in the oven? That one was for me. Thank you for following along on this beautiful YouTube video of carrot cake. I appreciate you being here. Have a great rest of your day.